Welcome back to the Garden Profiler, where we dive deep into the world of gardening. Today, we're exploring a topic that can truly transform your outdoor space. That's garden ponds. Ponds bring a touch of tranquility and elegance to any garden. But before you take the plunge, let's weigh the pros and the cons of having a pond in your garden. Firstly, the pros. Ponds create a serene atmosphere, attracting wildlife and providing a unique focal point. They can be a haven for aquatic plants and add a new dimension to your garden's ecosystem. However, it's important to consider the cons as well. Maintenance can be a bit demanding, and larger ponds might require filtration systems. But fear not, there are options for gardeners with limited space or those who want to avoid the challenges of an in-ground pond. If you have a small space, consider container ponds or above-ground options. These are fantastic alternatives, bringing the beauty of water features without the need for extensive digging. Container ponds are versatile and can fit on balconies, patios, or even windowsills. You can get creative with the containers, turning them into miniature aquatic paradises. Let's talk about the wonderful benefits of having a pond in your garden. Ponds contribute to a healthy ecosystem by providing a water source for wildlife, such as squirrels and birds. They also create a microclimate, keeping the surrounding area cooler and attracting beneficial insects like bees. Moreover, the soothing sound of water can elevate the overall ambience of your garden, turning it into a peaceful retreat. And you could also include a water fountain in case you have a small space and a container pond. Now, what should you plant in your pond? Let's discuss the plants for your pond. One of the joys of having a pond is the opportunity to plant a variety of aquatic and marginal plants. These are the plants that go around your pond, the border of your pond. Water lilies, irises, and floating plants not only add beauty, but also contribute to the ecosystem, providing shade and oxygen. Choose plants that suit your climate and the size of your pond. Remember, the right plant for the right place. And don't forget about plants around your pond. They can enhance the overall aesthetics and attract pollinators. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for those considering a pond in their garden. Tip number 1. Choose the right location. Select a spot with the right balance of sunlight and shade for your pond. This ensures optimal conditions for both aquatic plants and the overall ecosystem. Tip number 2. Balance is key. Aim for a balanced ecosystem with a mix of floating, submerged, and marginal plants. This diversity not only adds visual appeal but also contributes to a healthier pond. Tip number 3. Regular maintenance. Keep an eye on your pond's health. Regularly clean debris, check water quality, and trim overgrown plants to maintain a thriving aquatic environment. Tip number 4. Safety first. If you have small children or pets, consider safety measures. Shallow areas within the pond, secure edging all around the pond, and covers to prevent accidents. Now don't forget to share your pond adventures in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening inspiration, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, may your gardens be filled with the soothing presence of water. Happy gardening.